Hello, welcome back. So today I went to the Lego store and made some minifigures of my own because I saw some really cute pieces. So let's see what I picked. So yeah, so you can make 3 minifigures with these. Yeah, like this. And so yeah, it's kind of like really random pieces, but I just love this not chocolate, strawberry cake. Yeah. So this is really cute too. So how about let's start with these jeans. Really cute looking jeans with like lots of drawings on it. And that hoodie looks cute too. But I didn't really pick a girl's face. So let's put this men's, like this clown face is kind of cute too. But let's put this man over here. And his other face is actually really funny, like this freaked out face. Like like that. And I'm going to put a girl's hair. Quite funny, I know, but probably it's going to be nice if I put them together with some of my other figures, other pieces. So he has a very big dog with him, and this is a very nice looking dress with this like the top with like butterflies and hearts. And let's put this mini clown face over here. Looks so cute. And she's holding a pie. And her face is like strawberry cake. So funny, right? I love that strawberry cake. I have a similar one to that one. I think it was cheese. So anyway, this is my last figure with this funny hairstyle, like really fancy hairstyle. Kind of looks funny right now, but if I mix it with some other parts, it's going to look quite nice. And I just love the pie and the strawberry cake. So this is the end of the video. See you next time. Bye bye.